Assalamu alaikum dear students.
Walaikum salam sir.
How are you? Good morning everyone. Good morning. Today I am going to take fourth class on chapter 6 leadership of business organization and management, second paper, right? Number of class 4. Fourth class is going to be held on chapter 6 leadership, right? Okay, chapter 6, you know that your class test, pre-test will be held on chapter 1 to 8. Chapter 6 is going on, right? Last class had been taken on types of leadership, functions of leader and qualities of leader, right? Am I right? Have you done your homework?
Yes sir.
Right. I will have to check your copy and I will have to ask some questions on last class. Are you ready?
Yes sir.
Okay. Last class had been taken on types of leadership. That means types of leadership, functions of leader, qualities of an ideal leader, right?
Yes sir.
On the basis of last class topics, I want to ask some questions. Imam, have you completed your homework? Let me check. Okay. Can you tell the types of leadership? Tell me, on the basis of formality based leadership. Formal leadership and informal leadership. Then subline. Subline. Have you completed? Okay. Types of leader. Can you tell the types of leadership based on power? Democratic leadership, autocratic leadership, paternalistic leadership, free leadership. Okay. Arsenal. What is leadership? Okay. 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 Dahlia. Types of leadership on the basis of power. Thank you. Okay. Sit down. Okay, boys. Today's class is going to be held on lecture 4. Lecture 4. Topics of lecture 4 on chapter 6 are concept of direction, importance of direction, techniques of direction, consultative direction. Consultative direction is one kind of direction. We will learn here types of or techniques of direction. Techniques of direction. What is direction? First question is, what is direction, right? In the last class we have learned that the functions of a leader, right? Functions of a leader. A manager is a leader. A manager is a leader. A manager does 7 basic functions to use properly the resources of an organization, right? To achieve the target. Am I right? The functions are planning, organizing, staffing. These 3 functions are preliminary function or preliminary function. Doing these 3 functions, 6M, that means resources or elements will be ready in an organization. Am I right? Okay. Then second functions, the next functions, that means direction, motivation, coordination, communication, controlling. These functions, doing these functions, the resources will be started to use. That means the organization will go ahead to achieve the target. Am I right? When a manager will give direction or instruction to the subordinates to start the function. Then the human resources will be started to use, machines will be started, will be functional, right? Will be function. Then raw materials will be started to be converted into finished goods, right? When a manager will give direction to the subordinates for doing some functions related according to the plan, then the manager will be treated as leader, right? That means a leader will give direction. Direction is the first function of a leader. Direction is the first function of a leader. For that, direction is a function of management. Function of management, right? Direction is the first function of leader. For that, this function has been included in this chapter. That you will learn that this is the first function related to the leader. Understand? What is direction? Here is written the act of informing. The act of informing. Whatever you will do to inform the subordinates about the work, about the institution or organization, institution will be treated as direction. For that, here is written the act of informing employees about the work. What about? About the work. To be done, কাজ সম্পন্ন করার জন্য, to achieve the goals, giving orders, advice, suggestions, and managing them through necessary supervision is called direction, right? We know lineman, foreman, supervisor, right? Lineman, foreman, supervisor. This type of managers do works beside the lineman, beside a line. If you have ever visited the garments or other industry, you will see একটা লাইনে 50-60 জন কর্মচারী কাজ করছে আর একজন কি করছে, ম্যানেজার হাঁটছে। এই কি করছে, হাঁটছে আর কি করছে, ওনাকে ওই কর্মচারীদেরকে বলতেছে তোমার এইভাবে ঠিক না, এইভাবে করো, এই ভুল হয়েছে, তাহলে এটা ঠিক করো। এই বুঝতে পারছো? তাহলে আলটিমেটলি a leader or manager is giving direction to the subordinates to do the work properly, right? Why the leader or manager is giving this type of instructions? To do or to achieve the target of an organization. To achieve the target of an organization. Here is written what a manager does. Leader sets a goal. A leader motivates the workers to achieve the goal, giving orders, advice, suggestions, manage them through necessary supervision. তত্ত্বাবধানের মাধ্যমে is called direction. Understand? That means giving some instructions, directions is called direction. Giving instructions or advice, giving necessary supervision to the subordinates to achieve the target, to do work properly is called direction. Right? What the characteristics we have got from this definition? Other. Understand? This is the fourth function of management. Which function? Which step function? Fourth step function. That means planning, organizing, staffing, directing. Right? Directing is the fourth function of management. Then through direction, the resources of an organization are activated. সচল হয়, কি হয়? সচল হয়, and the organization moves toward the achieving the goals. প্রতিষ্ঠানের মূল লক্ষ্য অর্জনের দিকে ধাবিত হয়। যখনই নিয়োজিত সম্পদগুলো মুভিং হবে, অর্থাৎ শ্রমিকরা কাজ করবে, মেশিন চলবে, র ম্যাটেরিয়াল কি হবে, রূপান্তর ঘটবে, মানি ইউজড হবে, মেথড প্রয়োগ করা হবে, মেশিন চলবে, তখন বুঝতে হবে যে প্রতিষ্ঠান গোল অর্জনের দিকে ধাবিত হচ্ছে। Then direction is called the heart of administration. Heart. Understand? Heart. যতক্ষণ পর্যন্ত একজন ব্যক্তির হার্ট চলে ততক্ষণ পর্যন্ত ওই ব্যক্তি মুভ করতে পারে। আমি রাইট? যতক্ষণ পর্যন্ত একটা প্রতিষ্ঠানের লিডার কি করে, ইনস্ট্রাকশন দেয়, ততক্ষণ পর্যন্ত অধীনস্থ নিয়োজিত শ্রমিক কর্মচারীরা কাজ করে। আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড? For that Marshall E. Dimmock is an expert of management, told that direction is called the heart of administration. Direction is called the heart of administration. Understand? যে নির্দেশনাকে প্রশাসনের হৃৎপিণ্ড বলা হয়। যতক্ষণ পর্যন্ত নির্দেশনা দেয়া থাকে প্রশাসন ততক্ষণ পর্যন্ত সচল আছে বলে মনে হয়। এই বুঝতে পারছো? Where there is no direction, there is no administration. Understand? Subordinates will think that the administration is active because we are getting instructions from the top level or executive. Understand? Then the effectiveness of management depends on direction. Depends on direction. Understand? Then direction is always downward to all levels. যে কোনো লেভেলের কথা বলো, এই লেভেলের ডিরেকশন উপরের স্তর থেকে নিচের স্তরের দিকে যায়। যেমন টপ লেভেল থেকে মিড লেভেল, টপ লেভেল টু মিড লেভেল, মিড লেভেল টু লোয়ার লেভেল, and from the lower level direction will be given to the forwarded to the workers. Forwarded to the workers. That means in every level direction will come from the top level to the down level. Understand? Dasan? Clear? Ratul, clear? Okay. Then direction acts as a breeze between where I am, where I want to go. আমি কোথায় আছি আর কোথায় যেতে চাই, এটার মধ্যে একটা সেতু বন্ধন হিসেবে কাজ করে কোনটি? ডিরেকশন। আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড? ইজ ইট ক্লিয়ার? ওকে, রাইট ডাউন দিস ডেফিনিশন। রাইট ডাউন। Complete writing? Dahia? Have you done? Okay, complete? Voice complete? Next point is importance of direction. Okay, importance of direction. You will learn this. Most important topics of today's class is techniques of direction. Techniques of direction. How a leader or manager gives direction to the subordinates. Gives direction to the subordinates. Direction is a function of leader. So there are different types of leader. We know autocratic leader, am I right? Paternalistic leader, democratic leader, free-will leader. Understand? On the basis of power-based leadership, there are some methods of giving direction to the subordinates. We will learn. You are looking that direction can be supervisory direction, can be communicative direction, can be leadership-based direction. Leadership-based direction. What is supervisory direction? When a leader supervises to the subordinates and gives some necessary directions that Sakline do this, Sakline you are not writing, you are not working, Ifas you are not working, right? Do this work, you will have to show this work, you will have to show this work before evening, right? Giving this supervisory, this type of direction is called supervisory direction. Supervise করবে আর direction দিবে, হাঁটবে দেখবে সে ঠিকভাবে কাজ করছে কিনা, এভাবে সে হাঁটা চলাফেরা করবে আর necessary direction গুলো instruction গুলো দিবে. This type of direction is called supervisory direction. Understand? This type of direction is called supervisory direction. When a leader supervises to the subordinates and gives necessary direction, then this type of direction is called supervisory direction. Imam, is it complete? Is it clear? Tanvir, is it clear? Next, communicative direction. Maybe leader does not stay in the field of the workers, field. Understand? Then leader can communicate through different ways like mobile, telephone, WhatsApp, understand? Facebook, YouTube, email, Understand? Through these ways, a leader will communicate to the subordinates and gives this necessary direction. This type of direction is called communicative direction. Alright, understand? Communicative direction মানে কি? যে যোগাযোগ করবে, আদর, understand? তাসমিক, যে লিডার যে কোনো ভাবে সাবঅর্ডিনেটদের সাথে কি করবে? যোগাযোগ করবে। কিভাবে যোগাযোগ করতে পারে? How a leader can communicate with the subordinates? Using mobile. তানভীর, তুমি কাজ করছো? তোমাকে যে হোমওয়ার্ক আমি দিয়েছিলাম সেটা তুমি করেছো? আমি ওভার ফোনে তোমাকে ফোন দিলাম, কি তাহলে তোমাকে কল দিলাম, রাইট? যেমন ধরে নাও আমি যদি রাতুলকে ফোন দিলাম, রাতুল তোমাকে যে হোমওয়ার্ক দিয়েছিলাম সন্ধ্যার মধ্যে কমপ্লিট করার কথা, 5টা ক্রিয়েটিভ করেছো? এই যে এভাবে যোগাযোগ করে যখন তাকে আমি ডিরেকশন দিচ্ছি, আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে তুমি 5টা পারছো না 3টা করো, তুমি করে আমাকে এখনই হোয়াটসঅ্যাপে দাও, ঠিক কিনা? এভাবে লিডার যদি সাবঅর্ডিনেটদের সাথে যোগাযোগ করে ডিরেকশন দেয় তাহলে সেই ডিরেকশনটা হবে কি? কি হবে? কমিউনিকেটিভ ডিরেকশন। এই জায়গায় নেতা সরাসরি উপস্থিত থাকে না। কি করে? উনি সিসি ক্যামেরায় দেখে ওভার ফোনে যোগাযোগ করতে পারে, মেইল করতে পারে, ফোন দিতে পারে, টেলিফোন করতে পারে, তারপরে হোয়াটসঅ্যাপে তোমার মেসেজ দিতে পারে, যে কোনো ভাবে তোমাকে কমিউনিকেট করবে। সাবলাইন বুঝেছো? ইজ ইট ক্লিয়ার? ওকে, দিস টাইপ অফ ডিরেকশন ইজ কল্ড কমিউনিকেটিভ ডিরেকশন। আবি ওকে, নেক্সট, leadership based direction. Leadership is based. What the function of a leader? Leader gives direction, leader motivates the workers, leader communicates with the different stakeholders. Understand? Leader cooperate with the different departments and different levels persons, right? These are the functions of a leader. But on the basis of nature of a leader, leader can be autocratic, leader can be paternalistic, leader can be democratic, leader can be freeing, right? Leader যেমন তার ডিরেকশনটাই ওরকম হবে, আর লিডার যেমন তার ডিরেকশনটা কেমন হবে? ওরকমই হবে। তাহলে আমরা দেখতে পাচ্ছি যে on the basis of leadership, direction can be 4 types. How many types? Tashmir, how many types? Or tell loudly. 10. Leadership can be how many types? 4 types. Types are I asked you types of leadership, you are telling the direction. Okay, sit down. Okay, we have got the points and to know the types of direction based on leadership. Okay, autocratic direction. What is? We know autocratic leader takes all types of decisions by alone and doesn't consult with the subordinates for taking any decisions. And after taking decisions, he forces to the subordinates to be done the work. Am I right? Sakline? Am I right? So, leader gives all the power in his hand and creates fear, voivity, dekabe, and pressure to get the subordinates to do the work. You will have to do. No excuse. Understand? I don't want to consider any condition of yourself or of your mental condition. I want what? You will have to show your homework before the evening, right? This type of direction can be autocratic direction. Understand? So autocratic leaders gives or follows this type of direction method. Understand? Then paternalistic direction, upgraded version of autocratic direction, in which the leader creates influence through the affection and sincerity. Am I right? অধীনস্থ শ্রমিক কর্মচারীদের মধ্যে স্নেহ, আদর, স্নেহ, ভালোবাসা দিয়ে সমস্ত পাওয়ার আমার হাতে আছে। I will not consult with the subordinates, but I will take all the decisions by myself, and you are bound to follow the instruction. But I will show some affection to the subordinates. তোমার সুবিধা অসুবিধাগুলো তোমাকে আদর স্নেহ ভালোবাসা দিয়ে I will create a respective sense in the workers to the leader. লিডারের প্রতি শ্রদ্ধা বোধ তৈরি করে অধীনস্থদের মাধ্যমে আমি কাজ আদায় করব। এর জন্য যে ডিরেকশন দেওয়া হয় এই ধরনের ডিরেকশনগুলোকে বলা হয় প্যাটার্নালিস্টিক ডিরেকশন। You are looking that in which the leader creates influence through that affection and sincerity like a father and gets the work done from the subordinates is called paternalistic direction. Is there any question on this point, boys? Is it clear? Clear? Have you noted? Okay. Then consultative direction. Hey Tashbih, consultative direction. Who follows this type of direction method? Which leader? Which type of leader? Democratic leader follows this type of direction method. What? Determining the content of the direction. Direction কিভাবে দেয়া হবে সেটি নির্ধারণ করার জন্য by discussing or consulting with the subordinates. কার সাথে আলাপ করে? সাবঅর্ডিনেটের সাথে আলাপ আলোচনা করে কিভাবে ডিরেকশন দেয়া হবে সেটি নির্ধারণ করে। বুঝতে পারছো? ক্লিয়ার? সবার সাথে আগে আলাপ করে ডিরেকশনটা কেমন হবে সেটি নির্ধারণ করে। সেজন্য এখানে বলা হয়েছে before giving any instructions leader consult with the subordinates. After discussing or consulting with the subordinates, leader will fix a direction method. This type of direction is called consultative direction. And what will happen then? Democratic leader follows this type of direction method. Okay. Then free rein leadership. Free rein direction. Free rein leadership. Leader follows free rein direction method because of leader doesn't want to involve in war, right? This type of leader doesn't involve in war. Leader always try to avoid the responsibility of the war. Leader gives the duties and responsibilities to the subordinates, and leader avoid the responsibility of the war and doesn't expect the accountability from the workers. That means as the leader doesn't stay in the work field and doesn't communicate with the workers or subordinates, তাহলে ডিরেকশন কি দেওয়ার কোনো প্রসঙ্গ আছে? There is no direction. But that in fact the leader or executive does not give any direction to the subordinates and does not apply pressure. এই যেহেতু লিডার নাই, ডিরেকশনে নাই, এটা কোনো মেথডই নয়। এটা কোনো মেথডই নয়। যেহেতু কোনো ডিরেকশনই দেওয়া হচ্ছে না, তাই কোনো এটা মেথডই নয়। অনেক বইতে এই মেথডটা দেওয়া নাই, ফ্রি রিন ডিরেকশন মেথডটাই দেওয়া নাই। বুঝতে পারছো তানভীর? তাহলে মেইন টাইপস অফ ডিরেকশনস আর অটোক্রেটিক, প্যাটার্নালিস্টিক and democratic. If a question will create on direction and types of direction, you will get a question on consultative direction or autocratic direction. বুঝতে পারছো? যে কোনো autocratic and consultative. তোমরা কি আবার লিখবা ডেমোক্রেটিক লিডার, ডেমোক্রেটিক ডিরেকশন লিখবা নাকি? যদি কোশ্চেনটা আসে ডিরেকশনের উপরে, তাহলে কি তোমরা ডেমোক্রেটিক ডিরেকশন লিখবা? নো, definitely you will not. There is no type of direction democratic direction, only consultative direction and autocratic direction. Okay, so you will have to learn properly consultative direction and autocratic direction. Any question, boys?
No, sir.
Any question, Shahul? Okay, note down your homework. Definition of direction, techniques of direction, must you will have to write. You will have to write you will have to write consultative direction and its benefits. Voice complete?
Yes, sir.
Raise your copies who have done the writing work. Have you noted? Voice? Okay, thank you so much. You will have to complete your homework and you will have to show in the next class. Understand? Will you do? Yes, sir. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Wa alaikum assalam.